guys making a video here for me and Pixel3504. I'm just doing a little shout out to Pixel3504. So please like the video, subscribe, do whatever. Put a big fat thumbs up too. Oh yeah, the Pike County. Okay. Yeah, GTA 5 guys. Pixel. And put 3504. And that is his name. And just hit search. Right there, it would show up right here. Well, this is also him down here. Right there in the middle. In the tablet versus crossbow thing, Bob. So, there it is. Oh, I forgot to subscribe to him. There we go. See, this is his videos. Just make sure you guys subscribe to him, too. And me, of course. And Pancake Bob. I'll show you guys Pancake Bob. This is my friend. I go to school with him. I forgot to subscribe to him, too. Yikes. Victor. I never watched his videos before. He plays football a lot. You can tell that. Drop kicking a snowman. Huh. Well, these are just shout outs to my friends Pancake Bob and Pixel3504. Please subscribe to them, subscribe to me, and put a big fat like on all of our videos. Thank you guys. Goodbye.